Each of our fragrance compositions are carefully crafted with a harmonious blend of diversified scent ingredients, creating an intricate and unique charm. There's always something for everyone, no matter your preferences. We are starting off with this showy orchid, along with its beautiful, vibrant purple pinkish flowers. It exudes a sweet fragrance scent that plays a major part in contributing to the beauty of this fragrance. There are many different solutions to achieving wellness, and one simplest and easiest way is to incorporate it into your perfumes. The infusion of therapeutic orchids in our fragrances provides a soothing effect, acting as a great mental relaxant while energizing and uplifting our moods. Let's learn more about what medicinal benefits they could provide as well. This therapeutic orchid is used as an herb to combat heatiness. It helps stop bleeding, reduce swelling, and can be utilized in the herbal treatment of kidney inflammation. In Singapore and across parts of Southeast Asia, this orchid is found as a component in several health supplements, which is marketed as revitalizing, rejuvenating, or an aphrodisiac. It is also considered as an aphrodisiac in Iran and Turkey. To give a more complete view of our fragrance components, we have included peach, bergamot, lavender, geranium, leather in Floral 9. Let's narrow down these scent notes to a few key ones. Leather. Very much a rarity in most female fragrances, but in colognes and men fragrances, it adds a beautiful element, evocative of posh cars, luxurious and refined leather goods, and biker jackets. Leather is interestingly ironic, symbolizing both wealth and rebellion. Typically, the scent of leather is added to supply the touch of sensuality. Geraniums. A scent that evokes familiarity as it is reminiscent of the scent of roses, while carrying hints of fruity and green aromatic tones. Greatly used in different diverse applications, geranium essential oils helps to shake off mental fatigue and boost concentration. Medicinally, it is believed to help in boosting immunity and reducing blood pressure. Created to reveal a new dimension of the typical floral fragrance, it carries notes of floral blends intertwining with the smokiness of leather, making this composition into the sensual and alluring scent it is.